The British daily newspaper The Guardian has revealed that the Kashmiri freedom fighters have launched a sophisticated and strategic series of attacks on the Indian forces, leaving them stunned and struggling to respond. This contradicts the Delhi government's claim of bringing peace to Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir media surveys, The Guardian's fresh report states that the Kashmiri fighters are now more determined than ever, while the morale of the Indian occupation forces has hit an all-time low. The freedom fighters are using advanced weapons and guerrilla warfare tactics, targeting the Indian forces with precision and disappearing into the rugged terrain. The Indian forces have acknowledged difficulties in gathering intelligence on these fighters, making it challenging to track them down. The attacks have spread to the new areas, including the Hindu-majority region of the Jammu, which was previously relatively peaceful. Experts say that the new tactics, including the ambushes, have rendered the Indian troops' efforts to control the armed struggle ineffective. The Guardian report contradicts the Indian government's claim that life had turned to normal in occupied Jammu and Kashmir after the revocation of its special status by the Modi regime in August 2019. The militants, freedom fighters are better trained and equipped, which is why we are seeking additional support from the government, said Indian forces. This time, we are more afraid. Since 2020, almost 200 forces personnel and over 350 civilians have been killed in ambushes. The attacks are more concerning and technologically advanced than anything the region has faced in decades, the Guardian maintained. The latest wave of the attacks is linked to the Modi government's decision to split Kashmir of its special status in 2019. The freedom fighters are highly trained and are using sophisticated weapons and high-tech equipment, including the drones and Chinese applications to communicate. The Indian Army has described the freedom fighters as highly trained and totally unprecedented. The attacks have been carried out by the newer groups which emerged after the Modi's cancellation of the Kashmir's special status in 2019. The Guardian report says that elections will be held in Jammu and Kashmir this week, with the Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party's manifesto boosting of transforming the territory into a tourist spot. However, the recent rise in the attacks appears to contradict the Modi government's claim to have brought peace to Kashmir. The insurgency has become so potent in the Jammu region that it has led to the revival of a controversial local civilian militia, which is now being armed with automatic and semi-automatic rifles by the state.